ng Ateneo.
But that's not bad for a former basketball player who
Yes.
converted to being a volleyball player. And of course, Joanna Maraguinot naman. We can't say enough about the emergence of this young lady. Ang ganda na pinapakita in terms of offense. You said na nasa top 20 in scoring dito sa ating liga. And itong I think she's number 7.
Number 7,
sa ating
yes,
liga. So in the top 10.
Number 15, Joanna Maraguinot. Number 16, Amy Ahumiro. To all the fans here in the arena and to all the viewers from GMA News TV, let's get it on!
Kaya na gusto kong marinig doon. Yung ating Ateneo now up by 3 points. This is 5 straight against itong kupunan ng FEU. And Maraguinot continues to serve. Eliza Valdez still holding on to that right hand. Service ace for Maraguinot.
Again, nararamdaman mo yan pagkatapos mo gumawa ng
hit.
Ng hit, oo.
Maraguinot finally runs out of bullets. 13-8. Right. Well, here's the former league MVP, Jovelyn Gonzaga, on the serve. Maraguinot gets the line. Ateneo now up by 4, 20-16, set number 1.
A very steady outside hitter.
Wow, Hernandez loading up on her serve on that one. Maraguinot, and the block goes out from Malabanan. Kaya lang, isa pa rotation sa Ateneo, babalik na si Eliza sa front line.
Tama, yun ang magandang tapatan.
Gonzaga, Negrito, Tupino into the net, and the bad day of Royce.
It's hard. It's easy to say, but it's hard to do, given the lead of Ateneo.
Ateneo now lapsing into some service errors. Another one there coming from Maraguinot. So Kyle Negrito up to serve. She served well. Former captain of the national team. Maraguinot, Gonzaga, Heather Ginoo. Free ball from Royce Tubino. Tan, Hekiliana. Good coverage once again by Gonzaga. Tubino. Read well there by Maraguinot. Valdez, galing likod. Kept alive again by Gonzaga. Tubino, soft shot. Tan, Maraguinot.
Oh, that was too strong.
Lead is down to 7 from a high of 9.
Yes.
So the 2 leading scorers of FEU are on the bench, Gonzaga and Pons. De Leon. Basas on the reception. Tubino. They go to Hekiliana. Ang bilis talaga ng bola nito. Tubino. Free ball. Tan. Combination. Maraguinot adjusting but missing. 22-13. Nice serve by Palma. Tupino cannot convert. Maraguinot can. That's not the Royce Tubino I know.
Definitely not her day today. Okay.
23-13. Ateneo up by 10. Hekiliana once again. Negrito. And fooling Maraguinot into that point. To stay undefeated, can they get it done? FEU, as we mentioned, parading a new lineup, but the service errors continue here for the Lady Eagles.
But in the first set, yun yung isa sa maganda nilang nagawa. Kargado at consistent na. Pag may pawis yung bola, you'll see it on the floor.
De Jesus. Maraguinot off the block. Hindi na maabutan niya ni Pons. Ateneo 8, FEU 6. First technical time out of the third set. We'll be right back.
Matindi itong front line na to para sa Ateneo, Valdez at Ahumiro.
Kaya lang may kasama silang Tan.
Pero they can very well compensate. I'm thinking, magating sa blocking.
Well, another service ace. This Volley Friends. Sigurado good vibes when you catch their ultra fun kulitan. Sa mga babae, sino kaya pinakamakulit?
Naku.
Rachel, wala ka nang iisipin doon. Rachel ka agad yan. Automatic.
Actually, makukulit yung mga yan.
Wow. Maraguinot sends Coach Ty running backwards after that one. Parang nagulat pa si Maraguinot. Ako nagawa ko yan. Ultra fast spike pa. Hatid sa atin ang PLDT Home Altera, the ultra fast LTE for a happy family. And Maraguinot said, I don't know what came up. At sa loob siguro ni Coach Chuck, kaya na ito nangyayari sa atin. Lumaban naman tayo.
At kailangan maidikit nila ang kanilang score. It's not gonna be easy, pero they have to do something about it now.
Well, they can. Because as the official ball of the Shakey's League, Joanna Maraguinot has just been crowned the Princess of Serve by Amy Ahumiro.
Laban.
Ayuma again. Valdez with a better reception this time. Galing likod, Maraguinot, malakas. This is 3 straight points now for him. Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's League. And that one is set out by Maraguinot. 21-30. Gonzaga. Tan lifts it up. Maraguinot through the block. 22. Maraguinot. Better defense now by FEU. Back set, Gonzaga. Maraguinot, yes! And at long last, Ateneo finally puts the pesky FEU squad away in the third set, 25-18. So Ateneo remains undefeated and they will be the #1 team in the league, regardless already of what happens in their final assignment. But they will be the #1 team in the league. Here's our Shakey shake and play right now with Joanna Maraguinot putting it away for the Lady Eagles. We'll be back to wrap it up after these.
So, saang aspeto kayo ng laban na hirapan kahit na 3 sets lang?
I think, syempre hirapan kami sa pagiging consistent as a team kasi kailangan, nag-adjust kami as a team talaga kasi yung blocking namin, defense namin, adjust din namin kasi yung, nag-adjust na kami so nahirapan kami maging consistent throughout the game.
Pero gayon pa man, meron pa ba kayo na-feel na pressure to remain undefeated?
Wala naman po. Siguro lang. Kailangan lang namin gawin yung laro namin. Kailangan lang namin yun nga, pag-trabuhan yung consistency.
Thank you so much. And of course, you are our Shakey's Player of the Game. You will receive a box of pizza from Shakey's. So, gusto ko bang batiin?
Hi sa family ko, sa friends ko, sa mga prof ko, at saka sa family ng teammates ko. Hi Papa Nilang, hi!
Thank you so much and congratulations, Ateneo. Back to you guys.